Hi, I'm Star884. I sell jewelry on Whatnot and Poshmark. Follow me as I unbox this jewelry lot. You just never know what kind of treasures you're going to find. It's going to be tedious, but it can be fun as well. As you dig through your goodies, try to examine each piece. Check for flaws. Set up bins so you can sort each piece into separate categories. You can have a necklace bin, a bracelet container, a to be cleaned container, to be fixed, and so on. I make a bin for broken and craft-worthy pieces, and we can lot that up for resale. There are plenty of crafters who look for these types of lots. Check your bracelets for stretch. If there is very little stretch or a chance that the elastic could break, I put that in the crafter's lot. If you're a jewelry maker, that's wonderful. You can easily repurpose the beads to make new pieces. Check necklaces to make sure the clasps are working. You can separate earrings into one bin, and if you're lucky, you may find their matches in this lot. If not, then make a collection of good, wearable, mismatched earrings. Crafters will buy these too. At the end, you're going to see all your efforts were worth it. We have our bracelets, earrings, necklaces to be fixed or cleaned, and we have our crafter's lot. And I even found a piece of sterling. Check out my other videos for more helpful tips.